Quick video on the repair of a Kwikset Hawthorne lock. On mine, all that broke was the part that holds the two screws, and this is snapped off on both parts, which will mean your lock will be loose and it won't snug into the door. This part has a part number on it of 5014868. I contacted Kwikset and they don't sell that part. They want you to buy a whole new lock. If it was under warranty, you could probably, they would send you a new lock. But this is a simple repair. All I did was I took a piece of wire and I put it through the hole like that, pulled it tight, and then on the other side of the door you would have this part, and you would stick this through the two holes that are already there, like that, and then you would just twist tie that like an electrician does a pigtail on a wire. So you would take your lineman pliers and just turn that and then tuck the tail inside the hole where the screw goes. And I'll show you here on my lock. This is the wire coming from the top, wire coming from the bottom, and it's hooked through the back like I showed. It's twisted, and then the tail I just pushed in the hole. So that's probably a 20 cent fix and probably a 4-minute job, and you don't have to spend $500 on a new lock set. So I hope this helps someone out.